So I decided to do a quick just walk around video of this 64.5 convertible Mustang. I put this together, fully restored it maybe 2-3 years ago now. And I'm going to do a nice video whenever it's nice and warm out. Do ride-alongs and just some videos actually outside to really show off the car and show it running. But just was bored here on a Sunday and figured, why not? Like I said, it's a 64.5. It's poppy red, which in my opinion is orange. Black interior, and it's got the TMI sport seats in it, and we also have a stock pair of seats to change it over whenever it would get judged, or if you wanted to just look correct. Everything else is very correct on this car. A lot of the original chrome was used. Pieces, they were re-chromed. Door handles, window trims, the stainless around the windows were all polished up. Any dings that were in them were taken care of. New chrome on the windows. Well, it's not new chrome, but it was re-chromed. Convertible top chrome was redone. So it has a lot of original parts on this. This car was actually taken 2 years ago to the fall October AACA meet in Hershey and was judged, and it had these TMI seats in it. We didn't have the extra spare set, so it got docked the points on that, but overall it got a second junior award, and there's only one above that as a first junior, so that's why I redid another set of seats, just so whenever we take it again, it can go ahead and get its first junior, which would be nice to show with the car, just showing that it's up to the standards that AACA uses to judge. And then we'll try and go for its next award for senior and keep going along. Pop open the hood. See, it's the original 260 engine. It's rebuilt. Transmission's C4 automatic. That was rebuilt. It's got all the decals where they're supposed to be, just so everything looks correct. Single bowl master cylinder. It's got drum brakes, auto light battery top. There's the generator, 64.5. It's got the 64.5 buckets with the hood. You can see how that flap is on there. That's 64.5 specific, and the fins on the inside that are used to draw in the air, that's only 64.5 also. But this car it's kept clean. This is actually my wife's car now. It wasn't my wife at the time, but ended up turning into that, and so it's kind of cool that now it sticks with us, and this car will never be sold. It's just got a lot of meaning to it now. But it's beautiful, beautiful car. Everything was done on it. The only thing that I did not do, and one thing I don't do, is paint. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see all the sheet metal I do. I did, on this car in particular, I did full quarters, which were actually NOS quarters. Floor pan patches. I did some inner rocker patches on the driver's side. It was a while ago. I can't remember actually. I believe I did the battery apron and just some small patches. It was a really clean car. It's kept inside a long time. But here's a nice shot. You can see all this. You can see the reflection of in there, and the stainless of it being polished out. And then re-chroming. Everything was re-chromed, resealed. I actually changed also the seal that's in that channel too. All the way around the quarter is the same thing. That seal is now new in there. So everything was done on this car. And this is done how it came from the factory. The rocker moldings, the pinstripe, hubcaps, white wall tires. Just overall just turned out beautiful. Like I said, I'll do another video here in the summer. I got a bunch of different cars that I can do some videos on of just cruising them around. It'd be nice to get out for once. In Pennsylvania here, it's winters, you never know what's going to happen. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what I got next.